Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's Herbert Half Mil Rebuilds. We're back with another video. In this video today, I picked up something from Copart a few weeks ago and I had it stashed in the garage. I picked up a 2010 Audi S5, all black. It was hit in the driver's corner, front corner, and today I'm gonna be trying to at least straighten out the bumper a little bit probably, and I might take it to the body shop to fix something else that I'm gonna show you guys. I don't know yet, but I'm in my garage at home and I'm about to drive it to the shop now. I had it in the garage for like 2 weeks now because I didn't feel like really working on it for you guys, but now I'm gonna start it up. I had bought a headlight because the headlight was crashed. So I bought a headlight and just placed the headlight in there for now so I could just drive it to the shop so it won't look too crazy on the road. The fender's just bolted on with like 3 bolts because I took the fender off also. But we're gonna try to make it to we're gonna make it to the shop because it runs good. So we're gonna make it to the shop now. I'm gonna pull it out the garage and then we're gonna get to it. I'm gonna show you guys the car and tell you guys what I bought it for and tell you guys what I'm gonna sell it for. I'm thinking, I'll tell you guys when you see it and you see how it actually looks. We go from there. So I'm gonna drive right now and get to the shop. Tesla there, sitting pretty. Doing it right. Shut the AC on, this shit's cold. Turn that off. Alright y'all, let's get to the shop. Carbon fiber there. It's just Audi controls so well, man. That's one thing about Audi. The headlight for $70. It was $250 online. So when I got to the junkyard, they couldn't find it. Then they found it, and then he was like, before he even got to the desk to see how much it was, I was like, "How much you want for it?" And he was like, "Since it got a scratch on it, give me 70." I was like, "You know, I snatched it right out, $70." Right here. Because I would have had that fender off, headlight off and driving, they would have been on me. It's a little rumble, like in the front, like you can feel a little vibration, like in the front tire. I don't know if it's the road, I don't think it's the road, it's a rumble. But it definitely doesn't have no engine light. What? $7 for regular? No, what? That's what they get for my money. $7 for what? Something's wrong. Let's make it to the shop. I know it's coming on. Shut to the road. So we made it safe to the shop. I heated the bumper up a little bit to get that out a little bit. Right now, I was gonna take this home myself and try to get a new hood, this, that, and that, but I'm thinking about just taking it to the body shop that I'm cool with and telling them to slap everything together, and if it needs painting after they put all the junkyard parts, like basically hood. I ordered the fender last night and a new bumper. I'm gonna drop it to them now and see if they can get this thing put together for me and fix little stuff like this, so I could just have it ready and ready to go. So I see you guys at the body shop. This video is gonna be straight to the point. Let's get to it. Let's get this thing fixed and get this thing sold. So that's all for the video, guys. I took it to the body shop now and it's getting done. I'm gonna get that thing pulled out on the fender rail, and he want too much. I think he want too much to put all the parts on though, so I'm gonna just end up putting it on myself. I think I'm just gonna get the piece that's bent pulled on the frame machine, and that's it. He want too much. He said too much just to put these parts on. So I'm just gonna order all the parts, find all the parts in the junkyard, the bumper, the hood. I already ordered the fender, and I'm gonna put it on myself. Save some money. You just get the pull done, and that's all. That's all she wrote. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. The new Audi project is gonna be flipped soon. Thank you, guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that like button.